Hi, I'm Mackenzie Sorge, founder of View Ridge Family Law and Estate Planning. And today I'm going to talk about having a successful mediation. So, what is mediation? In the legal world, it is an alternative dispute resolution process. And in many places, it's required if you have a family law matter. It looks like having a meeting facilitated by a third party neutral who is hired to be the mediator and to help you and the other side come to an agreement. Now, why do mediation? Well, in many places it is required, but it is also a very helpful tool in resolving the issues at hand. And it can be a whole lot cheaper than going to trial. It gives you control over the outcome and allows you to create creative, specific, custom agreements that fit for your family. So, mediation gives people an opportunity to narrow down the issues that they're fighting about. I'll give you an example of parenting and child support disputes. Let's say you go to mediation and you come to an agreement about all the parenting decisions, but you still are unresolved on what to do with the child support. That's okay. You can resolve the issues that you do agree about and leave just a few issues to be resolved in court. Now, let me give you some tips about how to have a successful mediation. First of all, leave your family and friends at home. They mean well, but they don't have the legal expertise or the objectivity to give you good advice in a mediation. If you've hired an attorney, use your attorney for that mediation and not your friends and family. Next, come prepared. Make sure that you've given your attorney all the materials that you think need to be considered long before the mediation so that they can present all of the most important pieces of information to the mediator and have a really concise, efficient discussion about what needs to be decided. Finally, carve out plenty of space for the day of mediation. Make sure you take the day off of work, have a babysitter lined up for your children, be in a place where you can focus on just the mediation. It is an intense day. It does take a lot of focus and time and energy, but it's worth it because you can resolve so many issues in mediation and save yourself money and time and heartache. Mediation can be a great tool for families, and it is a way to come up with an agreement that you can live with and save money and time. But listen, you can't do that with just any attorney. You need to choose someone who is willing to prepare for mediation, engage in it just as thoroughly as they would as if it were a trial. If you are ready to come to an agreement and have some control over your divorce or custody matter, give us a call.